Hey, Mark Houston here with Maryland Real Estate Professionals and RE/MAX Realty Plus. It's time for our Funday Monday drawing. Thanks to everybody that played along. I got everybody's name in the box here and ready to draw them out. I apologize, we're running a week late because of Easter vacation and had some family in town. I didn't get a chance to do the drawing last week. The question this month was, what part of the human body contains the only bone not connected to any of the other 205 bones? So what bone in the body is not connected to any of the other bones? The correct answer was the neck. An interesting fact was the hyadome bone in the neck is the only bone in the body that isn't attached to the other 205. Unlike the other bones, the hyadome bone is anchored by muscles, and it also aids with the tongue and in swallowing. So some interesting facts you could learn with the Funday Monday contest. All right, let's do the drawing. See who's going to win this month's $25 Amazon gift card or a $50 restaurant.com card. All right, let's reach in and see who this month's winner is. I reached in and it's going to be Steve Peterson. Let's see if we can see this here. Steve Peterson's this month's winner. So Steve, just drop me a line. Let me know if you want the $25 Amazon gift card or the $50 restaurant.com card. Be sure and watch for our next Funday Monday email. It's going out next Monday, the first Monday in May. And in the second Monday in May, we'll send out our newsletter and you can play again in the newsletter. So have a great May. If I don't talk to you before Mother's Day, enjoy Mother's Day. Be sure and hug the ones that you love. A couple other things before I forget. If you know of anybody that we should interview, a 5-star business that should be shown to the rest of Central Maryland, contact me at www.mdgetreferred.com. We'll schedule a time to come out with our cameras and interview them and find out a little bit more about their business and share it with the rest of Central Maryland. It's a free service that we're offering to help give back to the community that we love. So if you have a company you think we should take a look at or somebody that you really like, go to www.mdgetreferred.com. Fill out the short form and we'll schedule a time to interview them, and keep an eye out for them on Central Maryland Review on Facebook. Be sure and share with your family and friends Central Maryland Review when you're looking for referrals. We have the best referral website for Central Maryland currently on the market. So take a look at that, www.centralmarylandreview.com. We actually have video testimonials as well, something that none of the other ones are doing. Also, I want to invite you to join us May 22nd from 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock down at Jimmy Cohn's. For the first 300 people that show up, we're going to give you free cones. Thanks to Maryland Real Estate Professionals, RE/MAX Realty Plus, Signature Settlements, JK Moving, and Presidential Mortgage. Come on down May 22nd, look for me, and get your free ice cream cone. Hakuna Matata. It means no worries for all your real estate days. Take care.